Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Hootsuite for social media management and social listening. So, the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Hootsuite. That's right. Okay, and then you have this first website. So all you have to do is to tap on the first result that you can find here. Okay, and then once you found this website, so just tap on it. That's right, and then you will be required to choose a plan. Okay, so if you don't have an account yet, so you just have to tap on the start your free plan option. Okay, so simply tap on this one. All right, and then I just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, you will be asked to, use your Google account, your Apple account, or your social media account. Okay, and then you just have to choose your plan. And then after choosing your plan, is you just have to proceed to the payment method, and they have their trial plan. So we have the free 30-day trial plan, and for the advanced, it's the same. So we have 30-day trial as well. Okay, so once you choose your plan, then you are good to go. So you just have to connect your social media accounts. For example, you're managing your Facebook account. So once you're here, you would be able to see your dashboard. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So first is you have to connect your social media accounts. Okay, so you can see your analytics reports, check your social calendar, and create and schedule a post, stay on top of trending topics, or create great content with AI. So if you are a content creator, if you are into social media, then this tool is one of the best tools that you can use so that you can manage your upload, your content well. Okay, so let's start here at the right side. So this is our home page. So this is our plan section. Okay, so when you tap on the plan, you would be able to see here all of your plans during for the whole week or for the whole month. So you can list your plan right here. Okay, and when you go here on the create section, so here you can create your post, you can create content with AI, you can DM and automation, you have here your ad section and the automated booster. Okay, so if you want to upgrade your plan, then you just have to go here as well. Okay, so let me just refresh this section. I think the internet is slow as of the moment, so let me just fix this one. All right, so just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so let me just refresh this section. Okay, so once you are here on your plan section, you would be able to see here the date. So for example, you have planned to create your draft or to upload a post, then you just have to go here. So for example, on Tuesday. Okay, so let me just explore on my own. So for example, during this day, so if you would like to create a post, all right, so tap on this one, and then you would be able to see here now your connected social account. Okay, so this is your account right here. So it depends of how many accounts you have, then you just have to choose your account, and then you just have to choose or write your caption, then customize it for each social network. That's right, and then you just have to upload here now your media. Okay, so you can upload your video or photo. That's right, and then you can also design with Canva or Adobe Express. Okay, so here you can also turn on this notification, so you can publish via mobile notification. And then if you would like to boost your post to reach a wider audience instantly on top of your followers, as soon as you publish, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn will feature it permanently in your audience's feed. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like right here. So for example, you're just going to tap it out something, and this is the preview of your post. And then after that, then you just have to schedule this one. Okay, you can schedule and duplicate or schedule and reuse account. Okay, so for example, you are done with this one, so tap on the schedule option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then your draft will be posted. Okay, Now let's go to the create section. So right here, you just have to create your post, content with AI, DM automation, and more. So here we have these Oli GPT. Okay, so right here, you can create a prompt. So you just have to select a prompt and then personalize it with your own specific details. So, for example, what trends are emerging in my industry right now? So, if you would like to ask for an effective trends as of the moment, then you can use this section right here. So, for your inbox, okay, so let us just wait. So, in your inbox, you would be able to see here, okay, all of your conversations. Okay, so you have your new and your pendings. For example, you have a channel for your social account, then you just have to select your social account and you'll be able to see your conversation right here. Now, for our analytics, okay, so let's go to our analytics. So you'd be able to see here your performance overview. So social performance score, the score sums up how your content performs across your Facebook pages, Instagram business, and LinkedIn pages accounts. So dive in for more data and AI-driven insights to refine your strategies. So as you can see at the bottom, we have here the different months. That's right. So you can schedule a few posts each week to increase your activity and your engagement. So for your social impact at a glance, so you can see here the combined impact of your social accounts and explore reports for deeper insights. So you have here your number of followers, okay, the increase of your followers, your new followers, your post impressions, your post reactions and likes, and post comments and replies. Okay, and then you can also dive deeper into your metric with these topics. So here you can compare key metrics across all social networks, track changes in your audience growth across accounts, and analyze your most engaging posts to find out what works and get performance recap ready to share with stakeholders. And here you have your social score and insights. That's right, and all of your reports. Okay, so you have that right here. And for post performance, so you can find out how your audience interacted with your posts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. So you can find here the details. Okay, now for the listening. Okay, so when you go here, as you can see, it's temporary issue affecting Instagram image and thumbnail. So you may notice that images, thumbnails for Instagram posts are temporarily unavailable in Hootsuite. Listening to this is due to a record update to comply with changes from Meta. Okay, so let's just dismiss this one. Okay, so for example, right here we have the trend location, so we can discover social and consumer data insights. So for example, we have here the top hashtags, the top brands of the moment, and the top events. Okay, so for example, we want to listen for this one. Okay, so this is the key metrics. All right, so this is the result, the engagement, the sentiment for this one. So here you can discover the full potential of the social listening tool powered by TalkWalker. So here, if you want to know what trends is of the moment, the most effective one, then you just have to go to the listening. Okay, so if you want to learn more about this site before using it, then you just have to create your account, sign up. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.